Hi everyone, Mayor Drew Dilkens here. On behalf of the City of Windsor, I want to give a big thank you to the mighty Cavalier team for stepping up at the height of the pandemic to produce urgently needed parts. And in our time of greatest need, you moved quickly, you adapted your operations, and you worked around the clock to manufacture these hand sanitizer molds in record time. And your commitment to answering the government's call for Ontario-made solutions to those challenges posed by this pandemic, it was outstanding and it was very, very inspiring. And it's because of dedicated workers like you and innovative companies like Cavalier Tool and Manufacturing that YQG stands strong. Thank you for making Windsor proud, and keep up the great work, Cavalier.
Welcome to Cavalier Tool. My name is Brian Bendig, President and Owner here of Cavalier, based in Windsor, Ontario, Canada. We started 46 years ago as a very small company, four-man shop. Today we employ well over 200 people in 2 different facilities. We build a variety of different product, consumer, recreational, automotive product, but today I'm here to talk about something we did within the pandemic. So many people are familiar with a simple hand sanitizer product, and we were contracted to produce in a very short period of time. This is one of the pieces that goes inside of one of these units. Traditionally, tools like this could take anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks. The Cavalier Tool Army stood up. We built several of these tools in around 15 days to get them into production. So something that was very important to us, we felt it important to step up. I do want to thank all the wonderful people of the City of Windsor, our wonderful Mayor Drew Dilkens, and a big shout out to the Cavalier Army and our new Army with the MSI addition. Thank you everyone. Thank you for a job well done.